Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you have not yet subscribed, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also hit the bell icon to get my further video notifications. It's Diwali time and Diwali means different types of sweets and assorted chocolates. So today I will be showing you two different types of Diwali special homemade assorted chocolates. It's very easy to make, try it and give to your friends and family. First we will melt some 100 gram of dark chocolate and 100 gram of milk chocolate. I'm using double boiler method to melt my chocolate. I'm boiling water on a vessel and on top of that I will keep my chopped chocolates in another vessel. Now melt like this and now it's done. My melted chocolate is now ready. Now I will make one Diwali Special Crackle Chocolate. For this I have taken this Diya shaped mold. Now like the way I showed you how to melt chocolate, like same way I have also melted some white chocolate and poured that in a piping bag. Now just trace the Diya shapes with the white chocolate. You just need to trace the shape. Now it's done. Now I have taken some cornflakes. We'll just crush this with my hand. And now we'll put the melted chocolate in the plastic mold. Just fill it half. Then add some crushed cornflakes. Lastly, add again some melted chocolate on top of that. Like this, do the rest. It actually tastes very awesome. Due to the cornflakes, the taste will be like crackle type, very crunchy. If you have not tried this before, then try it for sure. Now keep this in fridge for 15 minutes and then demold it. My crackle chocolates are now ready. I'm trimming the sides. Now type 2 chocolate is assorted dry fruit chocolate. I have taken this Happy Diwali big mold. Now again trace the Diya part with some white melted chocolate. Now I have taken here some dry fruits. Cashews, raisins, almonds and pista. Cut them into thin slices. Now just pour the melted chocolate in the mold. Spread it nicely. Tap it to release the air bubbles. Now just sprinkle the chopped dry fruits on top of the melted chocolate. Now repeat the same for the another mold. Spread it nicely. Make sure you cover all the corners properly. Now tap it and sprinkle some dry fruits. Keep this in fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and then demold it. And your Diwali special assorted dry fruit chocolates are now ready. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thanks for watching. Bye.